Hello friends, welcome to House of Apps English. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your SBI profile password if in case you don't remember it. Now, if you think profile password and login password is same, then you are wrong. These are two different things and I'm going to explain the same in this particular video. So watch this video till the end. Now, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, before guiding you through the steps to reset your profile password, let me tell you the difference between login password and profile password. See, login password is used to access your internet account or net banking account. So, yeah, this is login password. Now, if you ask what is profile password is nothing but an extra layer of security for your account. So, if you want to make changes to your profile or if you want to make changes to your account, in that case, you need to use profile password. I'm going to show you an example of that as well. So first of all, in order to reset your profile password, you can just simply go to net banking or you can use YONO SBI application. I'm going to use the application. So first of all, open the app, complete the login process. So once the application is completely started, this is the kind of basic interface you will be able to see on your mobile screen. Now let me tell you where you need to enter profile password. Just for an example, if you select YONO Pay option and if you select bank transfer and if you select beneficiary account over here, now, to add a beneficiary account, it will ask you to enter profile password. Similarly, it might ask you to enter profile password if you want to make any changes to your account. So let's get back to home page. Now, once you are on home page and if you want to change or reset your profile password, just simply tap on this three dash option on the left hand side top corner. After that, you get multiple options over here. Make sure you select service request and on the next page, select settings option. Now over here, either you can select change MPIN option to change your MPIN. You can remove your MPIN. If you want to change your internet banking password, you have that option as well. But in order to change your profile password or reset your profile password, select reset profile password option. And on the next page, again, you can see it is asking me to enter profile password, but we don't remember it. We want to change it. So in that case, select forgot profile password. And on the next page, either you can answer the security question and go ahead, or else you can use ATM card details and then go ahead. So let me enter the card details over here and let me show you the next step. So once you enter card details, select submit option. Now on this particular page, you get an option to enter or to reset your profile password basically. So you need to enter your profile password 2 times, the new password, and later on you just need to select confirm option. Again, you can also refer to this particular note and create your password accordingly. Now you can see I have created a new password over here. Let's select confirm option. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered number. So you just have to enter your OTP and then select submit. Once you enter OTP, select submit option and now you can see profile password changed successfully. So yeah, this is how simple it is to change your profile password if in case you don't remember it. So either you can use net banking or you can do it by using YONO SBI application. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.